Hello everyone, today we have a 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit 4x4 with a diesel engine in it. It's running good, so I'll go ahead and take you for a tour. And those LED headlight surrounds don't flicker to the human eye, that's just the refresh rate of my camera. It does have polished aluminum wheels. Dual exhaust. Spare tire under there. There's a shot of your dual sunroofs. Absolutely gorgeous. I'll add some close-up pictures also. These other details. Try to do the video so that you learn as much about the vehicle as possible. And these rear seats right here are heated. You can see down here, and you also have a 115 right here. Very cool. And then there's those gorgeous dual sunroofs. Come down here to the VIN. You see that it has a Harman Kardon sound system. I'm going to go ahead and turn this down, and I'm actually going to close that so you can see it better. But as you come down here, you see that you've got 77,566 miles on this vehicle. You also have paddle shifters. Got your push to talk, cruise control, stereo controls, push button start. To come over here, you've got both cooled and heated seats, a heated steering wheel. Here's your media, and your radio. So you have AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth. Here's your navigation. And then obviously you connect your phone, comfort controls. Right down here, you're going to have additional power supplies and a slot for an SD card. And over here, you've got your key fob, cup holders, shifter, terrain selector, four-wheel drive low, and then you can also raise the height of this vehicle, which we'll do. Then if you're pulling into a garage or something to that effect, then you can go ahead and lower it down. Okay, and then there's additional stowage, and that about wraps it up. Right now we're at medium height. Then we can put it up one more for off-road. So very, very cool having a variable ride height. As it's going up, it'll show us that it's going up. All right, so that about wraps it up for this particular vehicle. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact here in the back in the center. The airbags did not deploy. There's no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.